Time for some new shoelaces. Oh, okay, where'd you go? Get over here. Here we go. Just out of the local park this morning. It's a gorgeous sunny day in April. Snow just left last week, 2 weeks ago. We're getting on it. Just trying to skate again every day. Still trying to figure this gimbal out, this Hohem iSteady 4. It's pretty sweet so far, but we're just trying to get used to it. So we're just gonna play around at the park today for a little bit before we gotta go do some stuff, and then we'll see what the footage looks like. So yeah, if you're enjoying, hit that like and subscribe. We got plenty more videos coming your way. We got a trip to Mexico coming up here very soon. We're going diving in Cozumel, and a wedding, and yeah, we've got some stuff around here. We got a boat that's just about ready for the water, so we can get out diving on the shipwrecks here, and plenty of other fun stuff. So, and stay tuned for more. You. Not bad for 40. Just relearning all kinds of tricks that I haven't done in a long time. I skate every year, but I usually stick to mini ramp now. But the last couple of years I've tried to find my 20-year-old self doing ledge and lip tricks and grinds, and yeah, it's a whole new learning curve, but it's kind of nice. Like, Zach Doling is absolutely phenomenal. The way he skates, his tech. Dan Corrigan, Andy Anderson. When you actually get to see these guys and up close, you get to watch their feet and how tech they've made it and the science behind it. It was more than I ever had in the 80s and the 90s. So it's really nice to go back and kind of relearn it and rehash it again. And yeah, so we're just plugging away at 40, man. Age is just a number. I feel better than ever. I surf all the time, I skate all the time, I mountain bike, I'm constantly out here, and I feel better than ever. Best shape I've ever been in, to be honest. So age is just a number. To any of you old dudes out there who think you can't do this anymore, you totally can, man. I'm living proof of it. I might just be a nobody, but I'm out here doing it still every year. And yeah, it's not easy. You got to stretch every day, eat right, take care of your body, get proper sleep and rest for sure. But it's totally doable. So don't think you can't get out here and do it, because you can. And it's amazing because the little kids at the park look at you like you're crazy, and then they see that you can still do it at that age, and it gives them hope that the thing they love as a kid, they're not going to lose out on their childhood dreams, like many of us did, when you have to become an adult, so to speak, and do adult things. So shout out to all you old dudes still doing it, and shout out to the young guys. This is proof, man. You can still do it. So keep on riding.